What's up? This is my newest bike check on my bike. Got new parts yesterday because I sold my old ones. Alright, first off, I have Colony low cut frame in 20.85. Premium cranks. I also have Sabrosa bottom bracket. Premium replacement body, plastic pedals. Got Madeira front and back hubs. Premium refuse and resist folding in the back, and dual stunner tire in the front. Those hubs are laced to runaway rims in front and back. Got a Shadow Scream sprocket, 28 tooth. Fit low bolt pivotal seat with Sabrosa seat post. Got fit shiv forks. Moving up, I have a Salt headset with a custom stem that my friend made for me. I traded him my Shadow Attack stem. It was getting pretty old. Got Pantera bars. Purple Odyssey Griswold grips. I heard they're not that good, but I'll give them a try. See how they are. And that's pretty much it. Haven't even rode this yet. This guy last night. I need to get a chain today. Get a black chain too. Just a cheap one. Probably a Diamondback. Alright. Here it is.